Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can write prompts for Leonardo AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Leonardo.ai on any of the browser you have and log into your account. Then you can see the image creation option. Just go ahead and tap on it. After you do so, we must write something for the Leonardo AI to work. So you can see some of the models over here. You can see you can choose a lot of models like Leonardo Lightning XL, Anime XL, Diffusion XL, Kino XL, Vision XL, Albedo Base. So you can see some of the differences of this option over here. And you can also select the size or the dimension of this output, and you can see the advanced controls, the number of images, collections and everything. So you can see that this differs according to the things you want to use. So you can see that if you want to use the basic one, some of the basic tokens will be used, but if you want to use it according to your wish and according to some of the bioavailabilities, you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and reload the page and see how many tokens will it really be used. So sometimes you can see that this occurs. So let's go ahead and click on prompt generation, which is over here, and let's go ahead and select this diffusion, or let's go ahead and select this Vision XL. Now you can see this tool will allow you to come up with more complex prompt ideas from a simple prompt. Example, if you type in a car and click idit, it will come up with a number of more complex concepts which include a car. So let's go ahead and write down something like as his pet. So I'm gonna write something like this and click on ideate. Wait for a while and the Leonardo AI will open up. You can see that this has been going on. Let's go ahead and click on edit over here. Copy this code and you can use it, or else you can scroll a bit down and you can see that there are other prompts available as well. In a world where humans and animals coexist, a muscular man and his majestic lion and companion embark on epic adventures. Their strength and courage match. The muscular man and his white lions are a pet sight of behold, their physical prowess and fierce loyalty evident to every step they make together. So let's go ahead and copy this. Click on generate, which is over here. Wait for a while and this will be generated. We can also use this and create new art as well. Let's go ahead and do that as well. Let's go to image creation and start to create a new image. So this is being generated. Let's go ahead and remove this and generate a new art from it. So you can see the random option over here. So you can see this option. Go ahead and click on it and click on improve prompt. As soon as you click on improve prompt, you can see that the prompt will be improved. Go ahead and click on generate and you can generate some new prompt as well. So you can click on maybe later and you can start generating new prompts. If you scroll a bit down, you can see that we have added something to our Leonardo AI and it has perfectly been working. So this is how you can use the prompt to help Leonardo AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.